Honorable Chief Guest, my respected teachers, and all of my followers, Assalamu Alaikum. Today the topic of speech which I am going to deliver is Kashmir Day. Kashmir is a piece of heaven on this earth. This is a land which are complete with a large number of amazing scenes. The sky-kissing mountain, the tall tree, the dense forest, the twisting lakes, the snow-packed peaks, and lush green scenery. Nobody can deny the God-gifted beauty of this land. But alas, the inhabitants of Kashmir has been suffering from sadly since 1947. Kashmir issue is an unsolved matter. At the end, I just want to say that to be silent our equal act is also called equality. The entire Muslim world should raise its voice in favor of Kashmir. They should with the stand of Kashmir. एक हूँ मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, एक हूँ मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, नील के सार से लेकर ताबहा के काशीगर. Thank you very much.